Hi, I'm Jewell. I'm at the beautiful Eden Rock Resort in Miami Beach, Florida, getting ready for the AEC Profitability Summit. Soon I'll be joined by A&E leaders from all over the US and Canada to work on how to find the lost dollars in our businesses. Let me show you around the resort. Join me March 18th to the 20th and spend 2 days focused on how to increase profits in your A&E firm. The Eden Rock Resort is located right on Miami Beach and attached to the Nobu Hotel. It has 3 restaurants, a lobby bar, 4 pools, and a full fitness room and spa. Most rooms have an ocean view and balcony overlooking the beautiful turquoise ocean. At the summit, we will work together on a few of our firm's most difficult challenges. Each of our sessions will enable you to shortcut the time it would normally take to implement such initiatives, saving your firm months of work and finding your firm's lost dollars much faster. At the summit, we will work on differentiating your firm from the competition and selling on value instead of price, developing a new approach to your project management processes to help your project managers be more effective in their roles and reduce scope creep, creating a roadmap to improve employee productivity and utilization, and designing a structure for positively holding your employees accountable and transforming your culture so that all employees are motivated to help you to be financially successful. You will learn a lot, get great new ideas, feel inspired, and make new friends and business contacts. I'm thrilled to work with you to help you to be more profitable. You can learn more at aecbusiness.com/summit.